Backbush TV. Joe B representing for Kunta Backbush TV. Style like a gel.
Cyberway. Up in our world. Backbush TV. Peng them. Space them.
I beg to yes.
Yo, Kunta Backbush. Spaceship land, you know. Studio life, yeah. Slepa there.
Space them. Backbush TV. Whoa!
Think a joke chat. General B. Peng them.
Like a gel, Backbush TV.
Cyber.
Up in the world.
Backbush TV. So need to cut here, you know. Peng.
R.I.P. Slaughter.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Don't know, long night, man. Night goes on, she has R.I.P.
Cyberway.
Just blaze a Frankie dance all for for me. Right away. You hear? Get ready. King SSP, get ready. Ah, yeah. SSP's in the mood. Get ready. My fingers in the mood. To kill a sound boy. SSP's in the mood.
Oh, touch Sophie
Are you
MC.
ready? SSP's in the mood.
Oh, touch
To
Josie.
murder sound boy.
We're telling Frankie Paul.
SSP's in the area. Anytime we play, we charge, we murder.
Yeah.
Are we them sound boy they want follow?
Who's in the building?
Should have known King SSP are the danger. My fingers in the mood. Get ready. SSP's in the mood. Come on now. We played the dubs to make a sound. Why run? When them hear them style out the why them run up and down. King SSP at the Ramdan sound. King SSP is the champion. Lick them, mash them with the rubber dub style. Kill them, bury them. SSP sound wicked and wild. Mash them, scrape them. SSP is a bad boy sound. Kill them, done them. Hot fingers along the round. Yes, we're feeling irie. SSP make the people glad. Rubber dub style in the morning. Dub style in the evening. SSP champion sound. Bad fingers in there in town. In time we play, have to gather round.
Frankie Paul.
Gather round.
Known as Frankie Dancehall Paul. The late, great, God but never forgotten.
Come on now. Get ready.
We have Harry Toddler up in the building.
SSP in the party.
Alongside Wicky Wacky inside.
Yeah, man. Man that's up in a mad finger.
Yes.
One.
I know it's flaggy.
What is started?
I know you're weary. I know you're planning, but don't include me. Here we ho. Girls don't get lonely. No need to worry. Oh, our service is free. But we got tonight.
Tonight.
Only tomorrow. We get tonight, babe. Why don't you stay?
Man think as we say, we now run back on a girl. Put that one ranger upon by the van. We ain't taking no girl. Yeah. Man think as turn the mic. I want
Hey.
go. And the earphone now reply. Sorry, Toddler, alongside Wicky Wacky. What we say? A beer girl, war with. We touch the road about a girl we swarm with. Beer girl, war. We don't know. Mad fingers a beer girl, war with. We touch the road about a girl we swarm with. Beer girl, war. We don't know. Wicky wacky say. We touch the road about a girl we swarm me. That's all me baby mother she want war me. Me girl get a lot, get enough and plenty. Not talk 1 and 2, me talk all 70. Girl see fingers and them well war with. Possibly have another girl that hear me. Willing and them ready right now for share me. Take a little time, me some girl them approach me. The muggling girls, them want test me. Out girls said that them want undress me. Girls me sexy, them impress me. Flex them what we say. Oh, a beer girl, want we. We touch the road, the amount of girl we swarm with. Beer girl, want we. We don't know, we can walk you where you say. A beer girl, want we. We touch the road, the amount of girl we swarm with. Beer girl, want wicky wacky. We don't know.
I know it's leggy.
Very late.
I know you weary.
Yeah.
I know you're playing. But don't it could be
Remember that.
And girls don't get lonely. No need to worry. Oh, our service is free. But we got tonight. I won't need tomorrow. We get to know them. Why don't you stay?
You know what? What we say? We got it like that. I feel you a girl on Friday. I'm not busy. Have a different girl every day. Yeah. Abu yeah. Yeah, flex. 101.4. Mad fingers. So wicky wacky over here, sir. Up there. Mad fingers over there, sir. And the pretty pink here over there, sir. You know what I'm saying? Go tell it at the mountain, over the hills and everywhere. Go tell it at the mountain. We answer no boy and no friend. Fingers bun fussy one of them friend. No with them. Hypocrite and parasite them. The fight against me flavor. Go tell them we bun fussy one of them friend. No with them. Hypocrite and parasite. Wicky wacky. The fight against me flavor. But who the can't fit? We go about the fire, make them wear it. Who the can't fit? We go about the fire, make them wear UK. Who the can't fit? We go about the fire, make them wear it. Who the can't fit? Go about the fire, make them wear. Just show me straight for the fire fundament. We know you don't know with them. No time at all, we don't keep them friends. Them a men, walking up par with them. Bad fingers, but them for the fire fundament. We know you don't know with them. No time at all, we don't. Hey, them a men, wicky wacky. Come sing out the next song again.
Rolled some weed in a Rizla.
Roll it up.
Spoke some weed in a Chalwa. I grade weed that we grow ya. Give me a last score and that's going ya. I love the bun, the high grade sensei. Tell them this up weed, it come from good breed. Open them like I say, I rate that day. And the youth here with K-Wacky. So send it on. I whisper another weed, I know it bad. Send it on.
Listen to England one.
Come from the first land.
We smoke it more than Sizzler. We eat up in a whistler. We did not be mountains like a baby and sugar. When it's up there, sir, you have a thing named Skunk.
Yeah.
Mad Dog and Tie Dog and Merch and them thing there. Wacky, you know the whole country.
Yes.
But people, we just shoot the video for this song. I need Wacky to sing it for the UK and all over the world again. Start it.
Roll some weed in a Rizla.
Roll it up.
Smoke some weed in a Chalwa. I grade weed that we grow ya.
Grow it now.
Give me a last score and a score ya. I love the bun, the high grade sensei. Tell them this a weed that come from good breed. Open the mic and me say wicky wacky. Sport the seed and don't sport the seed. Send it on. I wish me like that weed and me know it bad. Send it on. This sound really come from the fertile land.
We smoke it more than Sizzler. We eat up in a whistler. We did not be mountains like a baby with a dribbler. One of the things them man a giggler. We are the weed giggler. Come on the turf and that's how we are the weed juggler. We are the weed smuggler. Babylon no come here. Just burn the first one. This one is a doubler. Wanna prove what the braver one. Smoke it more than Cape Town. Bad fingers we say. Oh, roll some weed in a
Rizla.
Roll it up.
Smoke some weed in a Chalwa. I grade weed that we grow, yeah.
That we grow.
Give me a last corn and a skunk, yeah. It's like 3 dreadlocks smoking weed in the hills. On the sense they made that never feel static. Tell them wicky wacky me moving out the wagon. Build up, build up. You be the sentence before me say we no doubt. Build up, build up. This that sentence be coming on the road.
Ash, give me the vibe. And the skunk make we feel alright and the weed. You know that it is life. Hey, Ash, give me the vibe. And the skunk make we feel alright and the weed. You know it is life. Wicky wacky, hey, I'm passing the weed, endorsing the weed. And if you see I'm looking, I'm lost in the weed. Babylon a come here, fi go master weed. What they be young fingers, them go blaze up some weed. I'm passing the weed, endorsing the weed. And if you see I'm looking, I'm lost in the weed. Babylon a come here, fi go master weed. Hey, what they say? We smoke it more than Ziggy them. Yo, level. One road, man. Go. You know, sir, I'm dancehall heritage. And I'm at Flex. You know, sir, 101.1. But I'm here with Wicky Wacky. You know, sir, legend to dancehall. Mad Fingers. Look at us. Where we say, hey, ooh, I can pretend, no, how we the girls them need more than just pray again. Girls hold me tight and nah let go, nah let go. You know we love them so, nah let go. Man fi have girlfriend, man fi have wheels and money fi your spend. Can't take the bag of yeah.
Don't stop it, gotta make a profit.
Yo, wicked, wacky. You have to sing something for them people out in the world.
For real,
Sing out for real. Wacky, sing out for real. One
for real. When I have you to myself, you were messing around. You were playing with Tom and they could only treat you like a clown. Now you wanna run, come back straight into my life. Now I found another woman and she become a wife. Oh, hey, what? Yo, I bet you be a final wife. Yeah.
Yo, you find a wife.
Wicky wacky, having toddler in the building.
Wacky find a wife.
Live and direct.
Guess what? You say I, girl one tie, them dead and just on time. Eat up into screech upon a girl, I'm not the call time. If I was a grocery in the shop, the girl them bought time. When we shut off a girl alone. You say I, girl one tie, them dead and just on time. Eat up into screech upon a girl, I'm not the call time. If I was a grocery in the shop, the girl them bought time. When we shut off a girl alone. Hey, what? Girl them say them love me personality. Them love me flex and them love me ability. Yeah. Love me, ya keep up all the levity. Can't take some boy, we pull the anxiety. Just put me in a bed and infinity. To the mineral, the club and all the party. My cutie, my nice booty. You know the girl them want to do me. You say I, girl one time, them dead and just on time. Eat a face to screech upon the girl I'm not the call time. If I was a grocery in the shop, the girl them bought time. Fingers, never me. Wacky, I want you to sing something for these nice, beautiful people out in the world. Yeah. In tune. Flex FM now. Mad Fingers.
I woke up this morning, I can't find no food to eat.
Yeah.
My children worry, but I got me have a touch the street. My baby mother face it down. A long time she no spin a grand. New baby say he born new pram. And everybody they look for them, man have a touch road. Go get a security work, touch road. Go get a driving job, touch road. A little hustling a guan, touch road. A little decorating, touch road. Some agency work, touch road. To want a messy affair, touch road. For make her in June, touch road. And it come out soon. So you know this time. Why the time is so hard. Me now for the Monday, still can't get a job. Yeah. It coming like a Gilbert star. First team me ever see from a barn. So for race and a guan. It's a guan. Somebody tell me. What's going on? Somebody tell me.
Hey.
Say what's going on?
Wacky. Yeah, Mad Fingers. I see what's fit, you know. Yeah, my we are serious business. So we don't take violation. You understand? We don't take threat and disrespect. Cause the way allow the England, make them know this straight. Hey, a beer gun surround me. Enough gun we have and none of them no empty. Beer gun surround. We no know. Just over there England a beer gun surround me. Enough gun we have and none of them no empty. Beer gun surround. We no know. Guess what? Me touch the road, big gun half it upon me. Enough gun me have in a 10 and 20. Feel said the magazine them all empty. Enough time rat patrol cheap protect me. Have me friend them up a camp for support me. Ever see when wacky them a go on duty. Grenade in a hand like we in the army. Full suit a green and we gun them army. A beer gun surround me. Enough gun we have and none of them no empty. Beer gun surround. We no know. Level me there. I have to talk some things. People are in tune and they are listening. Well, I was ESP 1990. So they call me the ruler. I am dancehall heritage. I never put on lipstick. I never put on eyeshadow. Me no wear nothing with too glitter. Never. Me no twist up, me no fish up. Man finger, turn up the rhythm. Make we tell England this straight. Bad man not dressed like girl. We no poor nose and we no bleed face and we no wear girl. People are all me grow up. Yeah man, Django, big up yourself. Every time, lyrics. You know my things stay enough. But me just want to make them know this straight. Keep it level same way finger. Yeah. Let me see you. Long time bad man, I want them. Them a go like them not understand. Hey, well some boy some tight up mosquito. Some tight up John Paul got events. Yeah, who no feel if you know? Yes, who no feel if you know? Yes, who no feel if you know? Fingers we no promote, look, yeah. No time, beside neither no day. That's why we say, bad man not dressed like girl. We no poor nose and we no bleed face and we no wear job curls. So freaky boy. What we say? Well, bad man not dressed like girl. We no poor nose and we no bleed face and we no wear job curl. So freaky boy. In God's we say, we look bush and bashy. In a me Louis V, and me latest Versace. We no poor nose, we no too Jerry. Natural as me born, so the girl them tell me. Like say, some boy them get drowned out. Face go bleach out, they on a wrong road. Look like a girl, when the bag go out. Mistake keep taking for girl. Wicky wacky say, bad man not dressed like girl. We no poor nose and we no bleed face and we no wear job girl. So freaky boy. When me say, no man no feel look so. See them up so, see them down so. In person yet girl, anywhere them go. No say, mad fingers no flex so. Yes, the wrong song some go sing. Them nose go bore, them a wear belly skin. And them come and go like them a big bad thing. Wicky wacky knock him out with a cool line the king. And say, bad man not dressed like girl. We no poor nose, we no bleed face and flex. Level up. One rule mate, up rule. He's a happy kid, you know. Yeah, you know, I'm a jovial person. So I love to keep the place alive and happy. So me say, na. Flex them, I say. Cha. Well, I want your name, dance the angel. You look Moses. We're up, so, and we dip, so. And I'll be there if you need me. Just call and you receive we. Dance the angel. You love flex them. We're up, so, and we dip, so. And I'll be there if you need me. Just call and you receive we. Move to the left hand. Na. Abu, yay!
You know what, Harry Toddler, wicky wacky, I'm gonna give you a different style, you know.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you a different style, you know.
You know, sir, we were all a part of this. Yeah, but you know, dancehall came from all these things. So when I do something like this, I have to just do something like this. Hey, what am I singing? Step. Certain. Next them I say, certain. You think of that? Certain boy, we no want a friend from them. I who see, a big fussy. Think more what you know, and flex them go find out. I who see them, a big fussy. One rule meant,
You hear that?
Remember, you know, a super cat bus Puff Daddy them.
Of course.
Bounty Killer them bus Fugees and them.
Yes.
Being man and dance a whole heap of female superstar in R&B. Also Sizzler. So you know, sir, our game. Na na na, hey, na na na, na na na, na na na, na na na. UK, I say, a ja ja ja, ja ja ja, ja ja ja. Hey, everybody say, a na na na, na na na, na na na, na na na. UK, I say, a ja ja ja, ja ja ja, ja ja ja.
Flex FM.
Them a go get defeat, get defeat. This flex them you get your food and read, yeah. Get defeat, them a go get defeat. This fingers you a go dead this week, hoy. Get defeat, them a go get defeat. This bad man you get your food and read, yeah. Get defeat, them a go get defeat. Yeah, these fingers them. So we say, watch your friends, watch your friends, watch your keeper. Watch your friends, watch your friends, watch your keeper. Watch your friends, watch your friends, watch your friends, watch your. No for them a liar to my teeth. Them don't know say we no friend fast the whole. World don't know say flex them a move cool. Anywhere we there we hustle a patrol. These fingers in your head me left a hole. Them don't know say we no friend fast the whole. World don't know say mad fingers move cool. Anywhere we there wicky wacky a patrol. This UK in your head me left a hole. Certain boy me no see them, heal me no give them. Me put a fire upon all the pagan them. We have to run them, we have to run them. This how we flex them say. Them call me name last week. And one friend me up. Me have to move him fingers, say me fi move him up. The boy a fussy. We not friend them up. UK a back them up. And them don't know say we no friend fussy one. World don't know say flex them a move cool. Anywhere we there, wicky wacky a patrol. This bad fingers that your head me left a hole. Them don't know say we no friend fussy one. World don't know say flex them a move cool. Anywhere we there we hustle. Boy, we are so cold. But who no like we no like them neither. Who no rate we, not gonna make you better. Criticize we, not gonna make you richer. Flex them, turn up the fire. Boy, let me tell you some things we're going out the road. Oh, we lose some great icon out the road. Shoot them, shoot Billy, I got a road. Dead them, take bogle life out the road. Don't be dread, we miss you from the road. Watch your foot when you a step on the road. It's your life. Get this miss out of Jim Brown and Claudia used to run road. Now one does on the click. Lock down the road, one others and clang. Know the road code. Skeng down, lock down the Galchester road. Mad fingers don't take check out the road. So who no like we no like them neither. Who no rate we, not gonna make you better. You criticize me, not gonna make you richer. Hey, make you walk yourself, you say na na na, na na na, na na na. Ja ja.
London, we're here right here in the UK right now.
Wacky, sing something for them in the UK.
Yes, and if my good friend was here, he would sing a song like this. And he's in the UK as well. Oh baby, sweet lady. Hey baby, have been up and down.
Yeah.
This whole world I've been around.
Whole world.
And something special you have found. You lift me up when I am down. You make it easy. Easy to love you, baby. Easy. Easy to love you, baby. Girl, loving you is so easy. Loving you is so easy. Flex.
Yeah, flex. Him go talk about loving girl.
Yeah.
This is my woman that me have. My plan to get all together with her. So Mr. Man, me just say, look on her straight, I'ma tell the world this. Are you saying a flex?
Yeah.
But let me tell her this straight. I'm with my woman. Hey, yeah, hey, hey. This woman that I have, I'm gonna love her forever. And I'll never ever break a little heart again. This woman that I have, I'm gonna love her forever. And I'll never ever break a little heart again. But love through the world, give her a boy and a girl. We love you more than diamond, rubies and pearl. To me, you are my favorite girl. Oh girl, you girl. I know I've broke your heart, but girl hush, no man not perfect. Look me now blush, now make sense we quarrel, no argue, no fuss. Let's sit down and talk it over first. This woman that I have,
I'm gonna love her forever, and I'll never ever break a little heart again. This woman that I have, I'm gonna love her forever, and I'll never ever break a little heart again. Yeah, up there.
What do you want to do? You want this bad man, and you know you get gunned down, you get run down, all your house burned down. Yo, my name is Harry Toddler, dancer ruler. The one thing I want to tell you, say, happiness is a key to life.
Yeah.
So we say, young Miguelis and take over. Rock the world, them dance is a murder. You hear new style, new flavor. Up a UK, let out the ruler. Jelly belly, Janai, who no show them the ruler. Shanko the Bronco Dunkel, let out the ruler. See mad fingers there, show them the ruler. UK say, shake your one. Ruler run. Move your body to the beat of the drums. Fingers there, all the UK come. Don't forget the history. Yeah. Yo, fingers. Do something. Listen me now. Down road. Yo, I'm big up round the road, round the side now.
Round the road.
Yeah, man. Bridging them round the car. Them in tune. Lyrics, big up yourself.
Yeah, man. Jail Extruder, International, Vamps. You know, so we not left you out neither. Yo!
But wacky. So when I was in music, at a young tender age, when I sang my third record, it was for Stolen Record. Big up Weepo.
Yeah.
I go like this. Hey, y'all you own your man from when? Y'all want to take him? Tell her, say if you stay far from you would it. Yeah, man, you have to know some history along the way.
Yeah, man, give me the history, toddler.
So, you have to big up Weepo. Hey, y'all you own your man from when? Y'all want to take him? Tell her, say if you stay far. Y'all you own your man from when? Y'all want to take him? Tell her, say if you stay far. Who no tell a girl say she feel good way and walk wide. You own your man, she still in love on the side. Ring them on your finger, that mean you are the bride. A girl like us, but she your mate it. So she no wise. True, you are the wife, girl, you know if it make night. Ambition up on your chest, so you not have it for hide. Tempted to touch, so you the man can't avoid. You own your man from when? Y'all want to take him? Tell her. Them tell him not even exit. 11 finger. You know, say me and Bunty Killer write that song. Right beside Bunty first carrying by.
Yeah.
It's that.
Remember the car in board?
Yeah, it's a Civics.
Civics.
Yeah.
Okay.
First car Civics in the car. And me and Chris to teach him for driving. I say, I don't know. Yeah, the quickest car. I'm still buying that music one at a time, so. You know, some more time someone can motivate you. You understand, mentally, physically, and spiritually. And yeah, man, I want close. I want close feeling. The close feeling that we have things that happen around, we just want things to happen for us also, cause we don't have Shabba Rankin beat and them thing there. And we know, say, Ninja beat. We saw the great one, them beat Tiger, so we want to do it also. So I guess my finger, you know, say, along the way, you know, say, I learn a lot of things.
Of course.
So you know, so I can't really teach right now, cause as I said, I was ESP 1990. Big up King Jammins and the whole of Jammins spit to them. Yeah, man, from John to the right up, the overs. And any more under the road, so big up Down South Records. You understand? Some things, yeah, big up Joe and the whole family.
Record Factory.
Yeah, man, Record Factory, them a day one, man. You understand? Big up Record Factory, cause this is a day one. What you know what going now?
Yeah, man.
You know, say you left here a long time, but you're still in the game and you never start the game. So big up my friend Wicky Wacky right there. So
Big up.
I'm a real singer. Them youth are a real singer and a makeup singer.
It's for real.
You overs?
Decade.
You can't, finger.
Real foundation.
Fingers. Stop the music. Come here and talk right now. We can tell you this. And Bounty Killer can tell you the truth. Because Bounty them a total liner. He's a man to be murdered. So Wicky Wacky here, so I think at 92, if to be sure, like Wicky Wacky come to studio and him have a cut a plate for a Magic Touch.
Yeah, man, the bad sound.
Yeah, Magic Touch. They know the killer name just changed to Bunty Killer, cause you know his name was Bunty Hunter first.
With dopes.
And you know where Killer look for Wacky and say, yeah, I want to establish my name. Just the Bunty Killer, me I sing a tune for you, and you buy me a beer. Them time they know. That work more than a beer, you know, but you say, oh, what you want, you know what you want, you know what you want, you think to reach. Once you want him name established, I'm not going to sing a song for you. You're a red stripe beer. You can't bet you any money to kill a member that Wacky. Because when Wacky, we are reason what there. And I say, whoa, you remember that Wacky, remember the day? So I can tell you say a lot of things we learn along the way. So the thing go. We can't teach the game because we are experienced. We are ruler. You understand? Some of them just reach dance. They've not reached the all as yet.
Yeah.
You understand? So no, a serious thing.
Someone go pull up at the venue.
Them they are the gate, them they are the dance, but they not reach the all as yet. But we are dance hall.
For real.
You over us. So I big up my family in the music, you know, because from day one I scare them, scare them. That's how come through the gate. So that's like dancehall family. You understand? We keep the thing real. And I have a safe deal with you. But we just know say that's everything start.
Yes, man.
We got Kutcher and Dynamite and Elephant. You know, say right now, the whole team I said so the game starts. So because I think I say more know say mystery, but you don't know. And when you want no finger, you have to point out some direction because a lot of things I know, you know. Because on the music alone, I know some I grow. A co-pilot grow me.
Yeah, man.
You know who co-pilot is? That's the great Shabba Rankin, the Grammy kid.
Man. Yeah. Rexton Garden.
Rexton Garden, we know him from his name was co-pilot. You understand? So we start music at a young, tender age. You over us. Me and Beenie Man fight for one buckle. That was at Walker's Lawn, 1986.
Yeah.
You understand?
I was born 3 years before that.
The man, you see me tell her? That's all I can, all I know is music, so sometimes some people see me and myself and my older mates. My work is a mind work. And it's not an easy road, we'll just sing it. And people can't tell us right now, fight that when me get in the music is not a lightweight fight. It's a very heavy fight. But still, I'm here. Yeah, man, everywhere, man. Spiritual, physical, everywhere.
What inspired you to become a singer?
Well, for real, inspiration come from the community and the environment that I was around. Because my stepmother, she said, liquor dance. Be liquor, she still dance. And as I wake, before I go to school, Mr. Shabba, them I play guitar, and Barkadi, them Denny Culture and Chapel Culture, I play big guitar in front of my yard. So as I come out, and them man, I say I play guitar and a DJ. I go to school and come back, them man, they still dep on guitar play. So one time I change my clothes, I start beside the guitar. Cause guitar I learn for DJ pan. So back I did man, co-pilot they would have said, make you hear say youth. But would have sing. But through them time you ever sing a name Yami Bowler. So I always sing, oh Yami Bowler act. And Yami Bowler was a youth them time there. So I say Yami Bowler and Yami Bowler, I think them turn on me, and you will know. But every time I go on the guitar, I say, turn on me, same thing I say. And I think with woman name, you have a top woman in America, she sing a song name. Since you been away, I've been down and lonely. Since you been away, I've been thinking of you. Try to understand the reason you left me. What are we going? You understand? So all the while I sing that song there. So them start calling me Fatty Bowler. That's my first music name, Fatty Bowler.
Okay.
You got Bert Lancaster. Bert Lancaster, me and Prince Greg over Striker Lee. And I sing a song now because I want to sing something because every time they want to make things for themselves. So I go and start make a song for myself. I make a song for myself. My first song I make for myself with name My Wire I'm a Cat No Wheel. My Wire I'm a Cat No Wheel. My Wire I'm a Cat No Wheel. I run it when me a toddler. I turn big man, I turn baby father. So every time I go on the guitar, when I go on the guitar, I say, my Wire I'm a Cat No Wheel. I be a big man a jump. You know how I sound, you know what I go on, but guess what? Them big man is a jump and I go on crazy. You understand? Shabba them a jump. Them name the Barkadi them a jump. Then the Culture them a jump. Them a Clark them a jump.
But what British don't understand is Wire Cat No Wheel is a toy where Jamaican you make for themselves.
Yeah.
It's a toy.
It's a toy.
We
can't buy toy. When we tie in a store, we can't buy that.
They make up your own toys.
Yeah. And they call it a Wire Cat No Wheel.
So I sing that song now. Every time I sing it, the man in my jump. Then I know say I end up over studio me and Prince Greg. Because we ever go up a wiki wacky after this now we start go up a wiki wacky them era. I go studio. Me and Prince Reagan and the youth named Bertrand Caster. And I sing the same song. And the whole studio laugh and I drop down. But my way I'm a cut the wheel, I say, what your name, man? I say, Fatty Bowl. I say, no, you not for name Fatty Bowl, man. I say, what's your next name? I say, them call me Dirty Eric. I love up chocolate. Yeah. I say, no, Dirty Eric. I say, no, man, DJ name Dirty Harry already, man. Like you sing about Toddler.
Mix them together.
If you name Harry Tadpole, man, and Bertrand say, no, man, not Tadpole. Harry Toddler, if you name, man.
Yeah.
So I got my name in a studio, strikingly.
That's how the name create.
Yeah, Buju Banton over the studio them time. Buju Banton, Little and Mag and find them kind of Buju the over strikingly them regular.
Yeah.
You have a youth named Q45. We used to manage Q45 with myself named Father Bar. Next door, I try DJ in a big voice sound. Them time I try open voice Steve out him Father Peanut and Pepsi to come give it. I remember we are shot as young artists now. I call me sound fiery.
Yeah, man.
Bertrand them carry me go studio. I got my name, Harry Toddler, at Strikely Studio now. So when time I come back a while time, I just want to sing any more music I play, I just want to stop. Jukebox, punch a rhythm, I sing. Until them I say, yo, up Kesha Park, you know.
Yeah, man.
It's okay, but Kesha Park all the while. I say, Kesha Park, be bad people, but some man up a wicky wacky them era. So I say, we know wicky wacky them now. Yeah. After Gilbert them now. So after Gilbert them, we go up there, so we go up there, so wicky wacky, but he must sing bass slackness. When I say wicky wacky, bass slackness, the man I say, I say, where the slack you to come from, man? Because Jerry Springer can't go up there. Jerry Springer was a selector.
Yeah.
I said, Jerry Springer, but wicky wacky, they them Junior B. Yeah. But the man them sound bad, I say, yo, I saw them bad up here. When I sing a song, my belly full, but him very hungry. I say, what can that yo? When I say I'm belly full, but him, you understand the next part? We can't say it for the ear.
Yeah.
I say, who the brother here, man? So up this now, so we meet Wacky there, man. The link make. So from this now, the time I come down a while time now, be singing, so them came out country and a sound. I'm gonna meet Tony Rebel and Bimbo, but Bimbo was Garnet Silk.
Okay.
Them time the Bimbo name, Garnet Silk name Bimbo.
Yeah.
But me as a little youth, I'm go up on the sound. So Tony Rebel come put on a record. Tony Rebel put on the record and play the song. A fresh DJ is coming into town. I can't forget this. Them thing I sentence to my brain.
Yeah.
History.
Yeah, cause proper history that's
yeah,
started.
Guess I can't come make up a story because all me I live is music. So everything I talk is the truth. You understand? I want to stand forever. I don't want it be for a moment because life's for a moment. The truth is forever. So I just come and tell the truth whenever I get this opportunity to share it. So I go and say, no, the man play the record and spin it over. But for him spin over the version, the man them sing until I can't get back a next thing, Mad Fingers. Him and Bimbo pass the mic. I say, I be a long lyrics them man I have. Them time there, I one long lyrics me have. Me have one long lyrics and some next piece I'll make up things.
Yeah.
One long lyrics. Them man have about 300 long lyrics.
So you start freestyle on them? No,
me not get by the mic. I know me start watch them. I know me not get by the mic. And the man must sing for about 3.5 hours. Yeah. So when time Tony but them done sing now and really the dance almost done. I'm sing 2 little more song. But I don't watch them per se. I know where them money come from. But the baddest people in me here, Bimbo and I think named Tony Rebel. You understand? So the journey continue, and if we have more time, I'll tell the cars a whole heap of thing. You understand? I just this one.
Read him up.
So you can play, read me, go sing the next thing. Abouye!
London, we love it up.
I'm gonna give you the Stylo G touchdown instrumental.
Yeah, man, I want to big up Stylo G.
Yeah, man, Stylo G, we're soldier.
Big up all the UK artists, them.
Every artist.
Vital. You know, big up Tall Up. African. Big up yourself.
On the pasta.
Fanatic.
Alright. Gimme, girl. Gimme, girl. Gimme, girl. Gimme, girl. Gimme, girl. What me say for do? Gimme, girl. Hey. Gimme, girl. What me say for do? Gimme, girl. Get gal easy, just believe me. Boy, you can use and a trace like him a sissy when me. Get gal easy, as a bland ras him stay. Abouye! Yo. I know my things there.
Harry Toddler, Wicky Wacky, live and direct, Flex FM.
Fanatic.
Yo. See me some man? Me not watch no one. But just keep my thing in my lane. Somebody just look upon someone and tell them straight. No nuance. Hey, so me say, from what year you know see we not use you. Cause you a get too used to. That's why Papi Wayan rebuke you. Cause you a get too used to. The whole of Jackson refuse you. Cause you a get too used to. Hey, you make your ego a boots you. Cause you a get too used to. Hey, don't size up. You know in a we league and you just a rise up. Stay in your lane cause you just a climb up. Go make the rank and go get buying up fool. Don't size up, don't size in. You will get a haze as are your face lean. You a crack fiend when you see me trying to run in. You know see we not use you. Cause you a get too used to. That's why England Wayan rebuke you. Cause you a get too used to. The whole of UK them refuse you. Cause you a get too used to. You make your ego cause you a get too used to. Hoy, we alone who no can bring no news to. Cause we fight, level them there. Then I know say hello G them. I kill Marvelous. All of my friend them in the UK and across the world. Listen, me hear a knock on my window. Just rise and up off the indica. Helicopter a fly low, police a look for gun. Me a live at this would have gone. Would I wake up to cornflakes and Lucky Charms. But a true in the get up me born. Every day me get up me here man a beat corn. Yeah. So, fingers.
You see the next tune I'm gonna play?
Yeah.
It's fresh. I got it from you yesterday.
Yeah.
Goes by the Children of the World.
Yeah, man. Big tune this one.
Wow.
What inspired you to do that song?
Okay, fingers. You know, sir, I just came to Britain a few days ago. But the first time I saw, like, when we check Nalu, the dancer, I check Nalu. So I'm at Nalu place and I'm watching the telly. So I watch the telly and I see a news. Like some youth just stab up a youth. And them youth there at 13, 14, 15. Be a juvenile. So me and Nalu are reason and Nalu as a toddler, beer that I go on. So me as a Nalu and I as alone, you know. Jamaica never wait to go on, you know. So I want the youth them for know so right now. And I feel them fault. Everything starts from parenting. How you grow a youth and turn out, you know. You understand? So I just want the parents them to guide them children and guide the children. You see the youth them need guidance. You understand? Them need direction.
True.
You understand? And when time a youth have him father, him never father figure around. Him intend to just follow him own mind. Cause more time the mother sound can't really. All the mother can instigate him for the certain things, but she can't give the protective from the sound or voice. You understand? The father, when he says something, like the power is in the voice, you understand? And he's needing parents. Some of those fees are right now our duty to protect the children them, the world. Not attack England alone right across the globe.
Right around the world, man. Right around the globe.
So that when you for the parents them for know how to grow a child, please, and the youth them just stop killing for no one of that cause. Own the future. I found the place me living there now. And the youth them early. Because we want to look official, we don't want this run to patch up something. You understand? When name the counselor, these people, the counselor.
The council.
Yeah, the counselor. I think they're talking to a school here.
Yeah, because this is a serious issue in Britain right now.
Yes, sir.
We look at young black youths and killing them one another. We need that to stop.
Yeah,
every day is something.
We need it to stop. If you guys need, you can phone this number. We're going to leave a number. We can
tell us,
yeah, we can try to help.
Crapper, and some people, this counselor, they're on board. By this song, they really love it so much, so we need the people them to say and feel and know that it's not just a song, it's a message.
Yeah, man.
You understand? I don't know for this list and just forget about it. There's something way for this live. So look out for the video. We plan to start it next week. I will just shoot one title, send it on, me and Wacky, but this video we have put that one out together for the world. Yeah, man, children of the world. Big up Rapper Crapper, manners up, and the whole team. Up roll.
Every single dancehall fan.
Show dancehall to the
Wow.
world in one forum.
So this is another new one, yeah?
Yeah, this one was produced by Downtown Records, featuring Tracy Mowat. Dancehall.
Any dancehall event anywhere in Jamaica.
And we hear it first, the freshest music from Harry Toddler right here on Flex FM. Red round that river.
Dance. Let's talk about dancehall. When the music jumping, everyone having fun. Dancehall, I love ya. Dancehall, I love ya.
All because of dancehall, all because of dancehall, all because of all the things we know in life is just all because of dancehall, all because of dancehall, all because of
nothing them can do to me. This music is it ain't new to me. Them no congratulate me like them tell them pretend. Them can't tell the truth. Well, me hear them conversation, and I know dancehall no mention. Jamaica is a reggae nation. Music and me occupation. Dancehall give round the world in every nation. Dancehall was full big up the veteran. Shabba Rankin and the great ninja man. Monte Killer, Buju Banton and Beanie Man. Sizzla Capleton, Vibes Cartel and Movado. Junior Ganga, Ancient Saska. Alkaline, I do and I'm poppy them.
all the things we own in life is just all because of dancehall, all because of dancehall, all because of all the things we own in life is just all because of dancehall, all because of dancehall, all because of
Big up all DJs, CJ, we rep for music. And all sound man, we contribute to it. Dancehall not dead, how the elite fi bury. Dancehall mention in a Grammy category. Hustlers push out the stall. Yeah, Chronicle, big up yourself, Chronicle. Peanut man, they are not juggle. High grade a sell super bubble.
all the things we own in life is just all because of dancehall, all because of dancehall, all because of all the things we own in life.
Yeah, rewind, say big up.
All because of dancehall.
Every single dancehall fan.
Show dancehall to the world in one forum.
And I can guarantee that.
This is gonna be from dancehall music, dancehall artists.
Especially a dancehall with the elders.
I will show you want to see that dancehall.
Any dancehall event anywhere in Jamaica.
I represent dancehall music. So dancehall be rated and respected as
Dancehall. Dancehall.
Dance. Where's the gun? Let's talk about dancehall. Chronicle music jumping, everyone having fun. Dancehall, I love ya. Dancehall, I love ya.
all the things we own in life is just all because of dancehall, all because of dancehall, all because of all the things we own in life is just all because of dancehall, all because of dancehall, all because of
Nothing them can do to me. This music is it ain't new to me. Them no congratulate me like them tell them pretend. Them can't tell the truth to it. Well, me hear them conversation, and I know dancehall no mention. Jamaica is a reggae nation. Music and me occupation. Dancehall big round the world in every nation. Dancehall was full big up the veteran. Shabba Rankin and the great ninja man.
We got Chronicle, you know, live on video call from Jamaica, you know. Say a few words, Chronicle.
Chronicle. Rastafari. Chronicle. Chronicle, man us up. Chronicle, may you grow. Chronicle, you grow a bit. Chronicle, I'm proud of you picking them. Chronicle, God know I'm proud of you picking them.
Every one of them.
Proud of Chronix. I'm proud of your next daughter, which is principal in Jamaica. I think she's the youngest principal in Jamaica also.
Yeah. I go down in the world too.
Yeah, that's Chronicle, the great Chronix daddy. And me, he knows me and Chronicle grow. They know so right now. I think me, uncle, him son call me now. And Chronix to me name so Uncle Harry, I got Uncle Toddler.
Yeah, man.
So that's the respect of him father have for me, so sit back from the son. And also his daughter. Chronicle, what you are flexing now? We are hold it off, you know.
Yeah, man, we just there, man, seeing a friend for life, man, from that time till this time, you see?
Family. Are we say family? Yeah, man.
You better know. And them say family. Are we
say family? You think a papi say family?
From that time, you know, till this time.
Yes, sir.
I don't just know. You understand?
I want to tell you, Chronic.
Yeah, man, big up Mad Finger and the whole works.
Boom, boom, boom.
Yo, me just hear a weed song a while ago. On Crystal Ball song. What Mad Fingers play.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
A murder.
Looking at me, boy.
Yeah.
Yes, I looking, yes, in me crystal ball. Me ganja tree
Grow so tall.
Falling, splashing all over the wall. Use me take me knife and me cut it up fine. Put some blame just to ease my mind.
Hey.
Pass it on the right hand side. No, I just me alone.
Alone.
Turning me sense every time. Straight IS gated up at the last car.
Yes, I am.
Kabolan, Indica.
Yeah,
Most
man.
wanted.
Yeah, man.
You know?
Yeah, me just for the man a bucket just through them.
Man, them, you know? I just weed we say.
Yeah, Chronic, you reach a Jamaica fancy, man. Me just see 2 nights ago. Or 1 night ago.
Play them and fly out good.
Yo. Man, reach a Jamaica already.
You know, come back on me yard because we have mash marina them.
Yo.
And you know, I have 5 and 6 clothes. Just come back on my crib here, sir.
Right now, 3 marina mina, 1 Ganzi, 1 task sleeve, and the next thing. I can't take out a door. Me can't deal out a door star.
England cooler than New York.
Right now, yeah.
A million mile.
Right now, England cold and New York.
You okay? My love up here, but God no up here too cold. God no.
Yeah, that's the sound of Chronic's that man of murder.
Chronicle.
Boom.
Dada. Just give me some, give it too slow now. Give it too slow or something, Papa.
Yeah, before you leave.
Don't leave us like that.
Yeah.
No show no left.
No show no left.
No show no left. No show no left. Yeah, man, the man is up now. People are so we do it, you know, because I know so the urge is loud and the fullness we have without God right now. We give God thanks for every moment, and remember in everything we do, we put God before it and everything add after.
Yes, I am.
So you know, so God have a special place in our heart. And you know, so we are God-fearing and we are loving people. And we are also human, so don't watch, because it's Chronicle, it's TODDLER wicky wacky. We do have feelings and we do love people out there. So from us to you is love only.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Right out, man.
There's
the
nothing
whole
but
family,
love.
man.
Yeah,
and
man.
pick up the new grandbaby we are coming.
Yes.
Yeah.
Chronicle.
And Flex.
Man, 2 grandbaby.
Yeah, man. No, the 2 grandbaby.
Yo, Wacky them and mix up in them love chat people business.
Yeah, man. The baby. What you mean?
Yeah, but it's so life. We don't promote life. But
I
yes,
like
sir.
for promote.
From Flex FM 101.4.
Yeah.
From TODDLER Chronicle wicky wacky.
Yeah, man.
We say love goes out.
And finger.
Yeah, man. The mad fingers say love goes out. Yeah. Yeah. Them down. Abu yeah. Uproad.
You can't play that 1 time. You can't play that 2 times. Play it again. You see?
Yeah, man.
Mad.
Remember, you had the 4 days side, you know, man.
Yeah, man.
Respect, Chronicle. I'll give you a call back after, yeah?
Manners up.
Manners up.
Yes.
Yeah.
But tell you to move to moon. And the one them
Downtown.
General come
Roll.
Big up your big
Back sound.
Nothing never go down.
Down.
I know me alone.
Own.
Burning like a
Fire.
general come round. Like father, like son, the general across you.
Yo, Chronicle.
Yeah.
Chronicle. I'm gonna stop you there, you know.
I
We're
might
done.
do it today.
Don't
Yo.
forget, follow me on social media, DJ Mad Fingers, later.
Yeah,
Later.
later.
Flex FM 101.4.
race, it was I think, I saw, I praise the Lord, and break the law, I take the sign, I take some more. 101.4.
Pull it up back, pull up.